Viewers, it's BJP versus AAP again in the national capital. A big political controversy has erupted after Delhi's BJP chief accused former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal of stealing. That's right, as per BJP, Arvind Kejriwal stole the official X account of the Delhi Chief Minister's office and renamed it Kejriwal at Work. BJP accused the Aam Aadmi Party of usurping the official account of the Delhi CMO and converting it into Kejriwal's personal account. Soon after this, the BJP demanded from the LG that the IT department of Delhi government should file an FIR and also probe the matter. In fact, they say that the account itself was deleted later. Listen in first of all to the BJP's charges.
तो चोरी और लूट की जो आदत अरविंद केजरीवाल की है, वो शराब घोटाला हो, जल बोर्ड हो, इतने घोटाले किए हैं, अब वो डिजिटल लुटेरे बन गए। ये जो संपत्ति है, ये सरकारी पैसे से खर्च की संपत्ति है, सरकार की संपत्ति है। इसको आप कैसे अपना टेक ओवर कर सकते हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल? सीधी सीधी चोरी है। और मैंने बताया कि वो ऑफिशियल, एक तरह से मान के चलिए कि हैबिचुअल ऑफेंडर बन गए हैं कि मुझे हर चीज में चोरी करनी है। ये सीधा सीधा एक डिजिटल चोरी है और इसकी हम माननीय उपराज्यपाल से शिकायत कर रहे हैं, मांग कर रहे हैं कि उनके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई कीजिए, कानूनी कार्रवाई कीजिए और दिल्ली सरकार का जो भी आईटी विभाग है वो इसकी जांच करे।
All right, viewers, now let's take you through the allegations. The allegations the BJP is making, and then we'll also take you through the counter by the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, what is the BJP alleging? What are the charges? Allegation number one against Arvind Kejriwal. BJP says that the ex-chief minister of Delhi usurped the CMO's official X account. That's the first allegation. Now, what's the second charge or allegation? The BJP claims that there was a digital loot by the ex-chief minister Arvind Kejriwal. Then they go on to claim that there was a plunder of Delhi government's digital resources. Then finally, far as the BJP is concerned, they go on to say that the X handle created with government money a decade ago, and they claim that this was usurped by Kejriwal. The ex-CM, BJP claims, stole the CMO handle after losing the polls. These are the charges by the BJP. What is the Aam Aadmi Party saying? How are they responding to these allegations? Let's take a look. Now, Aam Aadmi Party has now hit back at the Delhi's digital loot charge by the BJP. They say the response of the retort, they say the allegations are baseless, the charges leveled by the BJP are fake and fabricated. Then they go on to say that BJP must stop these allegations, BJP must not make such accusations without any proof. BJP should focus instead on governing the national capital. Now that they won the polls, governance in Delhi is already suffering, and that the BJP should not raise issues which have no relevance. They go on to say that ensure Delhi gets electricity 24/7. Now, this is a response from the Aam Aadmi Party. We heard what the BJP had to say and also the Aam Aadmi Party's response. Now, my colleagues Pragya and Tetri both are joining us live on the broadcast. Pragya, I'll come to you first. Why don't you take us through the allegations of the BJP and the proof which the BJP has cited to make these stunning charges?
Well, Meenakshi, this is for the first time that we are seeing that someone who has been out of the office, who has demitted an office of chief minister, he has also taken over the social media handles and the property which is basically of the government. Remember when CMO Delhi, a Twitter handle was made, now it is called X, it was of the government and it is not of a particular individual or a party. Now the allegation of the BJP is that this is a government property, you have invested money from the taxpayers amount and also the resources of the government in making this particular account popular, and people were interacting with the Chief Minister of Delhi and not with Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Now we saw yesterday that there were posts that says, the Twitter handle name was changed by other name which was Arvind Kejriwal at Work, which means that it was taken over by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's staff personally or him, and this is the allegation that BJP is leveling. And this is not just, they're saying this is not just ethically wrong, but it is also legally wrong, and this is a digital loot. Remember, there are laws and there are laws that says that great tech only be given to those who are in the office, who are in the government offices like Prime Minister, Chief Minister, governors, and Kejriwal being not any of them and having that grey tick was also illegal. So BJP is also thinking of lodging a complaint and FIR against Mr. Kejriwal for doing so. But interestingly, when you look at the particular handle now today in the morning, we see that there are no posts in that, and this post has been, the account has been withheld, and we are seeing that it is showing that there is an error in that account. That means that either they have taken down, because the password, the keywords, everything will be with the Mr. Kejriwal's office or CMO office. But who is operating them and who is operating that particular account and who has taken it down is also a matter of investigation, because this was a government property and people of Delhi were interacting with Chief Minister's office in Delhi, expressing their concerns, their issues. This was a platform for them and not for Mr. Kejriwal personally. So these are the allegations that need to be investigated, and BJP will certainly be writing to giving an application and complaint to Mr. Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. They had already taken on social media and written to him saying that this needs to be looked into, and this is not a small matter. It can land Mr. Kejriwal in soup is what everyone believes.
Exactly.
And many of them says that this has never been in the past. No one has seen that.
Unprecedented. The BJP saying that it's unethical as well. But what is the Aam Aadmi Party saying? Tejri, take us through how the AAP is reacting to it, and what's their explanation to this big charge which the BJP has leveled against them. BJP claiming that the official handle of the CMO was usurped by Kejriwal. It's made by money, public money. What is the Aam Aadmi Party saying on this?
Well, you see, as far as the entire controversy is concerned, first of all, let us talk about the, this public handle of Chief Minister. And in fact, let me tell you that when an individual holds the post of Chief Minister, this entire account is also, in fact, goes to his team, and his team handles this particular account. And now, in fact, you see that the last social media post was made on 6th of February, which is around 6th of January, which is around when the elections were announced. And not just that, but now BJP is alleging that Aam Aadmi Party has renamed that particular handle, which was earlier known as CMO Delhi, to Arvind Kejriwal at work. And in fact, that's a digital loot, is what BJP has been saying. And perhaps that is why they are going to meet today the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Mr. V.K. Saxena. Now, what we are getting to know from Aam Aadmi Party is that Aam Aadmi Party is refuting all these charges. They are saying that these charges are baseless. The allegations that have been leveled up by the BJP are baseless. Rather than Aam Aadmi Party is shifting their focus to the complaints that they are getting on their social media handles regarding the power cut. Remember that the Atishi, outgoing Chief Minister, is going to hold a press conference at 12 o'clock today, and certainly we'll be asking her this question so as to why this particular handle that was supposed to be named as the CMO Delhi is allegedly now named as Arvind Kejriwal at work. And not just that, but now this particular account has been suspended. So why it was used for the person? Was it used for the personal purpose? Was it used on a personal note by the party itself? In fact, all the answers we will get when Atishi will be holding a press conference at 12 o'clock today. But as of now, Aam Aadmi Party is refuting all these charges. But certainly this particular war of words are not going to stop over here, because we'll have to see that what happens next, what action will be taken when the BJP leaders will be meeting the LG. What will the investigation be initiated in this entire matter? Who was responsible for that? Or again, there will be a shifting of blame game, as we have been seeing before elections, during the campaigning, on any other issue as well. There is always a shifting of blame game from
and
BJP.
These are some stunning allegations which have been leveled by the BJP. Once again, let's listen in to what the BJP had to say to help our viewers get a sense of what exactly the charge is.
तो चोरी और लूट की जो आदत अरविंद केजरीवाल की है, वो शराब घोटाला हो, जल बोर्ड हो, इतने घोटाले किए हैं, अब वो डिजिटल लुटेरे बन गए। ये जो संपत्ति है, ये सरकारी पैसे से खर्च की संपत्ति है, सरकार की संपत्ति है। इसको आप कैसे अपना टेक ओवर कर सकते हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल? सीधी सीधी चोरी है। और मैंने बताया कि वो ऑफिशियल, एक तरह से मान के चलिए कि हैबिचुअल ऑफेंडर बन गए हैं कि मुझे हर चीज में चोरी करनी है। ये सीधा सीधा एक डिजिटल चोरी है, और इसकी हम माननीय उपराज्यपाल से शिकायत कर रहे हैं, मांग कर रहे हैं कि उनके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई कीजिए, कानूनी कार्रवाई कीजिए, और दिल्ली सरकार का जो भी आईटी विभाग है वो इसकी जांच करे।
All right, we heard the war of words between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. Atishi also expected to address a press conference today at noon. We'll get more answers from the Aam Aadmi Party. Then BJP, meanwhile, levelling some stunning allegations. We'll keep an eye on this big story. Thank you, Pragya and Techri, for joining us with all these details. We slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.